everyone's so excited about your fashion show debut, Sharie. But Lola, they said, a sloth on the runway? That's crazy. You know what I told them. Fashion is about taking chances. Places, people, look alive.
I'm nervous.
Hey, want to hear a trick I learned? Pretend everybody in the crowd is naked. Then you won't feel nervous or self-conscious.
But, Cam, you're naked.
See? It's working already.
Here goes nothing.
Ladies and gentle squishes, modeling the hottest fall fashions from Lola's boutique, please give it up for Sharie!
What's happening? Why is she going so slowly? Is time even moving?
She's a sloth, Lola. And you know what they say, sloth's gonna sloth.
Literally no one says that, Cameron. Sharie, doing great, girlfriend. One note, maybe speed it up just a teensy bit. What am I gonna do, Cam? At this rate, it'll take days for Sharie to model my whole fashion line.
Sounds like you need a plan C. Plan C? C for Cameron, me! I'll model your clothes.
I don't suppose you have a plan D. Okay, fine. You're up.
Yes! You may regret this. You know, a very wise Squishmallow once told me fashion is all about taking chances.
That was me, Cam.
How much longer until you get down here from space?
It says here, an hour? Hey, did you guys know that today's my...
Morty, you're breaking up! I can't hear you!
That was close.
Yeah, he almost told us it was his birthday. That would have ruined...
The surprise party!
Okay, let's go outside and make Morty's favorite thing of all, a humongous birthday cake.
How will we make a cake out of this stuff? There's no eggs, flour?
There aren't enough eggs and flour in all of Squishville to make our special humongous birthday cake. That's why we'll use wood.
Is wood even edible? Because if it is, I'll take some wood chips.
Of course not. We'll put the real cake I bake at the top. Now, Fifi, I'm going to need your energy to build. Cameron will be your helper. And Lola, hey, where's Lola?
Surprise! Surprise!
A little help? Fifi? Fifi!
Surprise!
Places, everyone! He's here!
Surprise!
You guys did remember my birthday.
Of course we did! Morty, all your friends worked together and made you this very special cake for...
Yay! Now, let's party! Woohoo!
Well, this is a fun birthday surprise. Cammy, have you been baking?
Frosting.
Cameron!
Hey, Fifi, you're home early. I know, this looks bad, but I made you birthday cupcakes. I mean, I tried to, but then I ate a bunch of frosting and it made me really sleepy, and then I ran out of frosting, and now here we are.
Cam, if you really want to give me a birthday surprise, you can clean up after yourself.
You bet! And I will be right with you after a very quick cat nap. Can you set the cycle to sleep?
Is that a no?
Fifi, what's wrong?
I appreciate that you tried to bake me cupcakes, but I've spent half my birthday cleaning up after you.
I know. I so feel bad about that. And I think I should feel even worse, but I can't remember why.
Jean, the clean machine is on the scene.
Oh, that's why. I hired Jean to clean the house as your birthday present.
No clean machine?
I'm sorry, Fifi.
That's okay, Cam. I know you were trying to make my birthday better. Luckily, I had a backup plan. A strawberry birthday cake, just in case all this happened.
My favorite!
Jean is back on the scene to clean. Whoa, you guys are really talented.
So, what's your talent, Misha?
Oh, that. I'm going to read a poem I wrote, but I don't think it's as exciting as everyone else's talent. Ooh, I love your poems, Misha.
Yeah, I wish I was words with good. Don't!
See? Everyone has a different talent. That's what makes it exciting. Just be you.
But what if I make a mistake?
It doesn't matter. Just be yourself. Talents and mistakes.
Squishmallows, please welcome to the stage our next round of talented squishes. First up is Winston, the cake flipper. And now, the opera singing Lola. Here's Cameron, the contortionist. Then there's the yoga master, Fifi.
Oh, great job, everyone. You were right. I'll just be myself and have fun.
Now, welcome with me our last squish of the night, Misha the poet.
At night, I take flight. Despite the fright, I will show my might and shine so bright. The stars in the sky will look to me for light. Misha out.
Does this mean she won?
Yes, 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 yes,
I've never loved a hat so much in all my life. Twinkly fabric, gold stitching, what appears to be the feather of some exotic bird. But I could never afford something so glamorous and glitzy.
Tell you what, Fifi. How about I let you borrow the hat for a day? I know you'll take good care of it.
You do that for me?
Just promise that whenever someone asks where you got it, you'll tell them Lola's boutique.
Sure, whatever. Thanks, Lola.
I feel like she didn't hear that last part.
Hello, Fifi. Can I interest you in a croissant? Maybe a tart? Pile of melting chocolate? That one's a mistake and should not be for sale. I apologize.
No, thank you, Winston. Nothing for this fancy lady. Okay. Okay, maybe just one. They're all talking about your hat, Fifi. Literally nothing can ruin this moment. Have you seen my hat? Very beautiful fedora with a large exotic cockatiel feather.
Cockatiels aren't exotic.
You're no help.
Ooh, how much for that melted pile of chocolate?
For you, my friend, half price.
Winston, terrible news. I lost my hat.
Oh, was this not my hat? I honestly couldn't remember.
Cameron, it's not your hat, but it does really bring out the pink in your nose.
Thank you.
I can't take the pressure. Wait, can I? No, I thought I could, but I can't. Guess I'm not a hat squishmallow after all.
I'm never gonna sell that hat.
You can do it, guys. I'll be fine here.
Need help, Cameron?
I could use some help cheering, Danny.
Come on, guys! You can do it! You're a pretty good sport, Cam.
Well, I figured if I couldn't be good at sports, I'd be a good sport.
I like how you think, buddy.
Come on, Cameron. That's it.
Here goes nothing. I'm okay. Hey, found a barely used lollipop.
Squishmallows, only 10 seconds left in the pie eating contest.
Oh, man! I'm not even good at pie eating contests. You got this, Lola. Come on, Winston. That's the boy, Danny. Woohoo!
No luck today, Cameron.
Me? I guess I'm still looking for what I'm best at.
What do you like to do?
I like singing.
Sing us a song!
Oh, if you really want me to. I'm the positive one. Yes, I'm the positive one. Sure, I'm not that good, but boy, I had some fun. Is there any question who the worst is? It's me. But when I'm on your cheering squad or fill you up with glee, I'll tell everyone I know that you're the best that you can be. Because I'm the woo-hoo guy.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Wait, don't do that!
Kite flying day. So many kites that I can't look away.
Kite flying day, yes, it's kite flying day. Big kites and small ones and long kites and tall ones.
Blue ones and white ones and short ones and slight ones.
Kites to excite and delight and surprise us.
If your kite is the best, you will win lots of prizes. Wait! Are there multiple prizes per category? Technically, no. Just one prize in each category, but a lot of prizes overall.
One each for best looking kite, highest flying kite, and biggest kite. Is that right?
But 3 is hardly a lot. Do you get what we're saying? Okay. Well, I have to get back to judging now.
Leonard is always in such a hurry.
Let's go look at some more kites.
Kite flying day, so many kites that we can't look away.
James, I'm prepared to give you today's award for biggest kite.
Wait, Cameron's coming with the biggest kite you've ever seen!
Oh, that is an unusually large kite, Cameron. But can it fly?
Fly?
Tell you what, I'll give you a few minutes to figure it out. If you get this baby sailing, give me a buzz.
Leonard! I'm flying the kite! Well, Actually, it's flying me, but that still counts, right?
Anyone seen Cameron? It's not like him to miss an award ceremony. 3 is a few prizes, not a lot.
A modest collection at best.
I wonder where Cameron went.
Oh, well. We'll get him next year, giant kite.
Stocked up with delicious treats. Open sign is in good working order. All we need now are customers. Welcome to Winston's Bakery. How can I help you?
I'm looking for an art supply store. Sorry to bug.
Wait! How about a free sample? I mean, as long as you're here. I call those Winston Goes Bananas, on account of their banana flavored.
Super duper yum! I want to buy like 100 cupcakes, but I don't have any money. I don't suppose you do a trade.
Cash is preferred, but what do you have in mind?
You need customers, and I need those banana cupcakes. So I will transform this boring wall into an amazing mural that absolutely every squish must take a picture with. And you give me some sweet treats in exchange.
Why will Squishmallows want to take a picture with this mural so badly?
Squishagram, pics and clicks, hello?
Hello? I don't know too much about that stuff, but okay, let's give it a shot.
Great, I'll go get my paints. Hey, you don't know if there's an art store around here, do you? I still need a paintbrush. This will be my greatest creation.
Oh!
I call it Mr. Cupcake. Snap a quick pic.
Say squishagram! Camilla, you have more than earned your cupcakes.
I so have.
Lola, Fifi, Cameron, so nice of you all to come for a visit.
Right. We're here to see you.
Huh?
I should go see what Lola's up to.
You're here to see Mr. Cupcake, aren't you?
Maybe. Yes.
Go ahead.
Help us, Agent 00 Squish! The evil villain is blocking the road and holding the only cure to save every Squishmallow in Squishville!
Guess I'll have to save the...
I'm sorry, what's my line again?
And cut! Cameron! Where is that script cat? Winston, your line is, guess I'll have to save the day. Then we cut, print, and finish in time for the Squishville Film Festival tonight.
And to celebrate afterwards, we can play cornhole.
Lola, whatever you've got going on there works. And Fifi, try not to stare at the camera. But great evil laugh. Seriously, chills. Let's go again. High energy, everyone! And action!
Oh! Help us, Agent 00 Squish! The evil villain is blocking the road and holding the only cure to save every Squishmallow in Squishville.
And cut! Where's my leading squish?
Sorry, indisposed.
That means he's in the cornhole game.
Yeah, I'll probably need a few minutes here. And some oil. Maybe butter. I'm stuck pretty good.
This is a disaster! I'll never finish in time for the festival.
What are you gonna do? Every Squishmallow in Squishville's looking forward to your movie.
I'm gonna save the day.
But how?
I'm gonna squish us out of this.
Good morning, Lola.
Hey, Winston. got anything Lola-licious today?
Not sure what that means, but I did just finish frosting my new spicy mango cupcakes. Wanna try one?
I'm not so sure I like spicy stuff.
First one's on the house.
I love it. You're the bestest baker in all of Squishville. You have to come on my baking show. I bet you could win.
What? You really think so?
Welcome back to Lola-licious. I'm your host, Lola. We're down to our final 3 competitors, Fifi, Cameron, and Winston. But it's up to our judge, Noah, to seal the deal. I don't get it. So, Mr. Noah Boa, who is the champion baker?
What did she say? You know what she said?
Winston is the winner!
You did it, Winston! I knew you could because you
are a baker, unlike any I've ever seen. And it's truly unlikely that this is a dream. This is a dream. This is a dream.
Winston.
Well, that was embarrassing.
Let's never speak of this day again.